Nescafe cake can be a great choice not only for a cozy evening with your family, but also as a creative way to start a small business. Hi, I'm She Cake. Let's make this delicious cake together. Ingredients for Nescafe cake. Milk, 110 grams. 1 tablespoon of instant gold Nescafe. Sugar, 230 grams. Cooking oil, 150 grams. Breakfast cream, 150 grams. Make sure to pick a high-quality brand. Flour, 320 grams. Vanilla, 1/4 teaspoon. Baking powder, 10 grams. 6 eggs. Step 1. Mix the milk, Nescafe, and cream together. Stir lightly, then heat it using steam or a microwave for about 1 minute. Break all 6 eggs into a bowl. Then add the vanilla and sugar. Beat them on high speed for 5 minutes. Until the mixture becomes light and creamy. Then add the oil and the warm Nescafe mixture. Mix again on low speed for about 20 seconds. Now gradually add the flour and baking powder, which have been sifted 3 times. Now mix slowly to keep the texture light. To make sure the batter is smooth, fold the mixture with a spatula once more. Step 2. Pouring into the pan. Line the cake pan with parchment paper. Gently pour the batter in layers, making sure it spreads evenly. This step is crucial for a perfect bake. I've shared a great tip on how to easily remove your cake from the pan. Check the link in the description. 2 pro tips before baking. First, use a wooden skewer to stir the surface of the batter. This helps even out the top before baking. Second, tap the pan on the counter a few times to release any trapped air bubbles. Now, bake at 170 degrees Celsius, 338 degrees Fahrenheit, for 45 minutes. To check if it's done, insert a wooden skewer. If it comes out clean, your cake is fully baked. Step 3. Cooling and finishing. Take the cake out and run a knife along the edges to loosen it. Flip it onto a wire rack to cool. Then gently peel off the parchment paper. Final touches. For slicing, I use round plastic cutters. I dust the edges with cocoa powder, mark the surface, and then cut clean slices with a knife. And there you go, a beautiful, flavorful Nescafe cake, ready to enjoy. Thanks so much for sticking with me. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave your thoughts in the comments. I always use your feedback in future videos.